at pandan. At lahat po ng kanyang suot ngayon ay indigenous. Pinitas niya po sa kanilang puno, kanilang bakuran. Maybe you can tell us something about your theme.
Boy Torres po ng Marikina ng John Wilkie Cycling Club. Ayaw po ang aking buko po yan. Pwede po natin gawing headgear. Pwede natin gawing mga knee pads. Wala pong gastos. Headgear, knee pads, walang gastos.
Perfect.
Pati shades po, pwede rin.
Everything he's wearing right now is actually made of buko. Palampakan natin pati yung clipless ng pedal, ang ating female participant. Pangilang beses mo na sumali ngayon?
Ang fifth na po.
Fifth. Alright, and what is the theme all about?
A fairy that protects our nature.
Fairy that protect our nature. Alright, palampakan natin the fairy that protect our nature. I understand na mas marami pa po